Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to be introducing you to trading. I know many of you guys want to start trading, but you don't actually know the concept behind it, or you don't actually know what is trading in general. So what we intend to do today is introduce you to trading, tell you what trading is, what are the types of trading, what do you need as a beginner to start trading. So these are the places that we are going to hit. These are the targets. We are supposed to make you understand what trading is in a simple concept and tell you or introduce you to the different types of trading before now tell you what you need as a beginner to start trading. So let's dive into it. What is trading? Now I want you to put this behind your mind. Trading is just the concept of buying and selling. That's just what is in trading. The whole thing in trading. There's nothing other that you can use to describe trading apart from buying and selling. Whether you are buying at the wrong time, you are buying at the right time, you are selling at the wrong time, you are selling at the right time, you are still doing the same thing, you are still buying and selling. So, what do we buy and sell when we talk about trading? We buy and sell assets. Now, when we are talking about assets, commodity is an asset, currency is an asset, right? So you buy and sell these assets to gain what? Profit. That's just the whole thing of trading. Now, it can be short term, it can be long term, right? But that's just the whole concept about trading. It's just based on buying and selling. Now, when we come to talk about assets that we'll be talking about on this channel, we will talk about crypto, stocks, forex, right? These are the three assets. These are the three things that we'll be measuring on this channel, right? So these are the things that we're going to introduce you to. We are going to introduce you to crypto. We are going to introduce you to stocks. We are going to introduce you to forex, right? So when it comes to crypto, I know you've heard of Bitcoin, you've heard of Solana, you've heard of Dogecoin. Those are all part of crypto, and those are assets that you can trade on daily basis, right? You can trade all these assets on daily basis for a short period of time. You can buy or sell all these assets for a short period of time to gain profit. Now, when we come to stocks, we talk about Tesla, we talk about Apple. Those are major companies, right? You can buy a share in these companies, right? You can buy a share in these companies to gain profit. You can trade all of these companies, right? You can trade any of these. You can trade Tesla, you can trade Apple, you can trade Amazon, Microsoft, Google. They are a lot. So you can choose to trade any of these stocks, right? When we come to Forex, we have the US dollar, we have euro, we have Japanese yen, we have British pound, and many more. There are many Forex categories that you can trade. So as a beginner trader, that this is the things that you need to understand. Then you understand where your royalty lies. You understand where you need to trade, even though in the future I will be making a video about how and when to trade, or which asset to trade at which point in time, because none of these are linked. Each has its own way of movement. So you have to know this before you also measure into one of these, right? So now what I need you to know is, let's dive into the types of trading. Now, when we talk about types of trading, I categorize it into styles, because the types of trading is just based on the trader style, right? So we have position trading, we have swing trading, scalping is also one of the trading styles, and we have day trading. Now, when we talk about position trading, right? Position trading is just um a type of trading in which the trader enters a buy or a sell with the aim of leaving the trade for a very long time. Now, position trading can last up to weeks, it can last up to several days, right? Weeks, months, that's position trading. So when it comes to position trading, understanding what you are doing is very, very important because you might not be looking at the chart every time. Swing trading is the same, but swing trading, unlike position trading, is just a simpler form of position trading. It wouldn't be there for months and stuff, but it also takes days to mature, right? Now, scalping is the same, but scalping is different. I'll talk about it in a short period of time. Day trading is also a style of trading that you can measure in. Now, what we'll be talking about most on this channel is day trading, swing trading, and scalping, which will further on major in only two, right? Scalping and day trading. Now, these two are those that we'll be talking about a lot on this channel, right? Now, I will talk about swing trading. As I've already said, swing trading is where a market participant holds a position, right, for a few days to a few weeks. So, the difference between a swing trader and a position trader is just that a position trader takes the trade far too long than swing trading, right? Now, things you must know with when it comes to swing trading is a trader that trades with the style of swing trading need to have a very, very serious setup. A very, very serious setup because you wouldn't be coming every day to check the trade. So your setup should be very, very serious. Your setup should be very, very important, and it shouldn't be something shallow. It shouldn't be something that will end up hitting your stop loss after you've taken the trade, right? I mean, just look at this trade for instance. Imagine you took a buy at this level, right? You took a buy at this level. This is your take profit. This is your stop loss. Now, if you were not having a very serious strategy, this would have hit your stop loss, right? But let's just say for the sake of this video, you have a serious strategy. Now, this is your take profit. Now, look at the days. This trade took 53 days to reach the what? The take profit. So this is a trade that you cannot be looking at every day. This is a trade that you cannot be monitoring every second, right? So swing trading is very, very serious and it needs a very serious strategy because you cannot be constantly monitoring it, right? Now let's move to day trading. What is day trading? Now, day trading refers to the practice of buying and selling assets in what? The same day, right? Now, positions are not held overnight. With swing trading, you can buy today, then you leave the position hanging. You can leave it throughout the night, the next night, 3 nights in a row. The position is still going to be on, right? Now, day trading, no. You buy within the day, right? You buy and close your trade within the exact day. If today is Monday, you place a trade on Monday. By Tuesday, you are placing another trade. Monday's trade is not going to be going on by Tuesday, right? So that is day trading. Now, you need to understand that all of these sells and these buys, this is a 4 hour time frame, right? But let's just assume all these sells and these buys are just in a single day, right? It's just in a single day. You don't leave the positions throughout the night. You buy today, probably around 12 a.m. in the morning. By 4 p.m. or by 8 p.m. you sell or you close the trade. By 8 p.m. you sell within some few seconds or some few minutes, you close the trade. So it's supposed to be within the day, right? And normally, day traders use higher time frames. Yes, they use higher time frames to analyze and enter their moves. So normally, day traders use higher time frames like the 4 hour time frame, the 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, daily time frame, right? So most day traders use the higher time frame for entries. Now, when it comes to scalping, let's just say scalping is the most risky way or style of trading, right? Scalping is the most risky style of trading. Now, scalping too can be divided into two. We have the extreme and the normal scalping, right? So the normal scalping is just like you found a setup within a whole day, you've entered into trade like two trades within a single day. Now the extreme one is someone using something like the 30 minutes, the 30 seconds time frame, or the 10-second time frame, or just yeah, from 10 seconds to 1 minute time frame. This is extreme scalping because at this point the market is going to be so volatile that if you don't know what you are doing, anything can move against you because at the time frame is so low that one bar, just one bar in the 5 minute time frame might be several bars in the 30 seconds time frame. So this change, when you don't know, you end up losing a lot of money because you are scalping extremely. Now, scalping refers to where traders long or short assets, hold them for a few seconds or minutes, then close the what? The position. So the whole concept about scalping is look throughout the day, look throughout the daily chart, right? The whole daily chart. You look through it, then find small positions, find small moves, right? To enter into the trade. Now, if from here to this move, from this move to this, that is probably a downtrend, right? Now, if this in the daily chart is just going to be one candle moving downwards, in the 4 hour chart, it can be two or three candles moving forward, right? Now, because scalpers use smaller time frames, this is the 5 minute chart. Now, on this 5 minute chart, you can see that the scalper has entered a trade here because he's finding small moves to do what? To enter. Now this might be just a pullback of one candle in a 4 hour time frame, but the scalper has already entertained himself. He has already gotten something out of it. Then he's waiting for an opportunity again, a small opportunity. Another opportunity is given here. He has bought, right? Sold at the tip. Another opportunity is given here. He has sold. So what you need to know is within a day, scalpers can take as much trades as they want. So far as it makes sense, right? So far as it makes sense, scalpers can take as much as the number of trades that they want. So far as it makes sense to them and it goes according to their strategy or according to their daily plan, right? So that's just what you should know about scalping. Now, within the day, if you are scalping within the day, it has a lot of risk, right? So when it comes to scalping, there's a lot of risk in scalping, and there's also a lot to gain. I mean, that's the whole concept about trading. You risk to do what? To gain, right? Now, what do you need as a beginner to start trading? I know some of you things have already been buzzing into your mind. What do I need to start trading? Do I need this amount of money? Do I need this? Do I need that? Now, I can assure you that to start trading or learn how to trade, you don't need much. You just need a few things. Just a few things, right? And you definitely don't need money to start your journey. That's just what you need to do. You don't need money to start your trading journey, right? Now, I'm going to give you these two softwares that you need. As you can see, the first one is what? Trading View. Now, it works on both PCs and smartphones. Now, Trading View will help you in learning how to chart, looking at the market analysis, looking at the market movement, looking at how volatile the market is. TradingView will help you with all these, both on your PC and your smartphone. Now, MetaTrader will do same and it also works both on your PC and smartphones. Now, using these two apps, when you're having a PC and at the same time you're having a smartphone, I suggest you download both on both PC and smartphone because learning how to chat on a smartphone might be difficult. It might prove difficult a little bit as compared to learning how to chat on a PC. Learning how to chat on a PC is just very, very simple, right? But learning how to chat on a phone is kind of difficult because the screen is tiny and by when you are using it, you get used to it. So these two apps, they both work the same, right? They both work the same. But if we dive into details, you end up realizing that some things that TradingView has, MetaTrader doesn't have it, and some things too that MetaTrader has, TradingView doesn't have it, right? But you can use them simultaneously. You can use them. You can even download TradingView and download MetaTrader 5 at the same time, right? Now, what I want you to do is when you download TradingView either on your PC or your mobile phone, and because you are going to be using the free version, the free account, the demo account on TradingView, you might be entitled to only one trade at a time. So I suggest you download a MetaTrader 5 because when you're using MetaTrader 5, you can enter into as much as your account can hold. You can enter into many trades as possible, right? So that's what I want you to do. If you are using TradingView on your PC, get a MetaTrader 5 on your smartphone, right? You can get TradingView 2 on your smartphone. But I suggest you have MetaTrader 5 on your smartphone as well because when you analyze your chart and you enter a trade, now when there is a pullback, what do you do as a beginner? You might not know this, but when there's a pullback, then you realize that oh yeah, this pullback is almost done. You add into your trade, right? You add into your trade. Now with the MetaTrader 5 on your phone, you can be taking trades using that, right? So you can add trades, but when you're using trading view and you take the first trade, if there's a pullback, you can't add trade because it's going to close the first trade that you took. Then a new trade will be given, right? So that's just all about these apps, right? And this is just an advice that I want to give you as a beginner. Please do not buy signals. Do not buy what? Signals. Learn how to chart first, right? Understand the chart. Learn how to chart. Understand it before you go in for any signal that you want. I'll not say buying signals are bad, right? Some signals work, some don't. So I'll not say the concept about buying signals are bad. But what I'm telling you is do not buy signals as a what? A beginner. Because when you buy signals as a beginner, you end up getting hurt. When you get hurt, you feel like trading is not for you. Meanwhile, you did not learn the thing in the first place. You just want to hop in and make money, right? And it doesn't work that way. If you don't know what you are doing, you cannot just hop in and make money. You have to know what is going on. If someone gives you a signal, then yes, this signal is all right. That person might be giving the signal from a 4 hour time frame. And you, the beginner, you are using 5 minutes time frame. Now, if you know the chart and you know that this is the signal that they give, what do? You find the entry on your time frame because his time frame it might make sense and his stop loss is going to be huge. But your time frame, what happens? It wouldn't make sense because you might get stopped out before the trade even manifests. So do not buy signals as a beginner. Understand the chart, learn how to chart, learn how to feed moves, learn how to analyze the trend before you do what? Before you enter into buying signals and executing them. So this is just what I want to talk about today. And I'll be bringing some videos about how to enter into trades. Since this is just a beginner's guide, we're guiding you through the beginning. That's the genesis of trading. And we ensure you that we'll end up making you a pro. Yes, that is in our mind. That is the intention of this whole channel to guide you as a beginner into making you a pro. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.